Here's how to pull an engine with a tractor. First, you need two chains. One big chain for your exhaust bolts. Remove your exhaust manifold. Bolt one of the eyes down, side, one on the other. Flop the chain on the other side of the engine. Do the same thing, make it balanced. And once you get done with that side, bring it back over onto the first bolt and put the first bolt through two chain eyes. And now you're ready. Make sure when you pull them both up, they pull evenly. And get your other chain and chain it right in the middle. And then wrap it around the tractor blade. That right there. And on the other side, do the same thing. Right in the middle. Pull her up. Make sure all your stuff's out of the way. You don't want those getting dented. Radiator, air conditioning, anything else, intercooler. Yeah. And that's how it's done. armatures. That's how you lower in a 351 with 302 engine mounts into an SN95 former V6. Going to be twin turboed.